Okay, welcome back. This is going to be part 3, and this should be the final part of the SOTA training today. You should really watch part 1 and part 2 before you watch part 3, so hopefully you've done that, or if you haven't, go back and please watch part 1 and part 2. Each of those parts are about 5 minutes, so it really doesn't take that long. So what we're going to do in this part of the training is show you how to upload the information once you have the surveys done. So to do that, we want to be from the home screen, from the very beginning. We're not going to touch SOTA first. We're going to touch settings. It looks like a black and white little icon with gears, and it's going to be on your home page. You touch that, and actually you're going to encounter, I did it, let me try that from again. What you're going to do is you're going to touch settings, and you're going to come to a screen with a bunch of options. What you want to search for is Wi-Fi. It's the second one down, and you're going to touch Wi-Fi, and you're going to turn it on. It should be off. It may already be on, but hopefully it's off, because if it's on, it's draining power from the device. You're going to go ahead and turn it on, and a bunch of networks are going to appear in your menu there. Now, we're assuming you're going to be uploading from an office or a home Wi-Fi that you might have. You cannot upload from Starbucks. You cannot upload from McDonald's or Burger King or places like that. You will lose the data. They have different servers that these devices and our app do not work with. So it must be a private or open network. It cannot be from a restaurant or something like that. So we're going to pick a Wi-Fi network here called Lieberman that we have, and I'm going to select it by just touching it. And then it's going to bring me to a screen that has a password. If you have a password, this is where you're going to enter it. If your network is open, it may just connect automatically. So I'm going to type in my password here. And once I do that, I'm going to hit join at the bottom. And it's going to kind of see if it recognizes. Now, if I'm on that network, it's going to put a check on the left-hand side of the network, and that is going to tell you that you are connected. You do not hit this little arrow on the right. Whenever you try to sign into your network, just hit the network name. So once we've done that, we're ready to upload. So we're going to hit the button at the bottom. That's going to bring us back to the original home page here. Now we're going to go into SOTA. Going to open that up. And if you'll remember from part 1 and part 2, you have a count of how many interviews you've done so far. So it says sync now. All you're going to do is, what you can do is check that you're on the internet by touching Safari, which is the internet browser. So I'm going to go to, for example, I could hit this little book and go to Yahoo. Right? And that's going to bring up today's Yahoo page. Okay, so now I know I'm connected to the internet. Okay. Then what you're going to do is go to SOTA, and all you're going to do is, it's a little bright in here. Yeah. You're going to hit sync now. And it's just going to go through a quick little process of receiving and sending, and it's going to say sync successful, responses sent 1. Now I just have one survey on here. If you have 20 or 30 or 50 surveys, that process will take a little longer, but it will still say responses sent and whatever number it's sent, and you just hit OK. And now you'll notice that sync now message is gone, which means your surveys are off your device and on our server, and that basically means you're done. The only last step after that is to hit the home button, go back into settings, and just turn Wi-Fi off, and then you can hit the home screen again, because the Wi-Fi will drain the battery, as I mentioned earlier. So that's it in a nutshell. You can always call our company with any questions at 516-829-8880 and ask for Bruce or Sabrina, and good luck, and if you have any questions, just feel free to contact us. Thank you.